Hi guys, thanks for watching. Now in this video I am going to talk about my next moves, what I'm basically focused on more now than basically ever before, and what I'm adding to my portfolios. And I think that this is kind of useful to a lot of people where, now people are sort of making some changes, making some alterations in their life, situations are happening, and I think it's important for people to get access to some powerful methods on teaching people how to make money from the comfort of their own home, because people are spending a lot more time at home. And I really want to just say that why I'm making these changes, why I'm making these alterations, and why I think this is going to be very powerful for a lot of people in our space. Whether you're in network marketing, whether you're in affiliates type marketing, or whether you just simply want to make money from the comfort of your own home, because I know a lot more people are now spending more time at home, and people are thinking like, what's next? What's going to happen down the road? It's very difficult. We are in uncertain times. So I think that this video is something to consider, and some great opportunities to consider. Now I'm going to just share with you guys here that yes, I have decided to move and focus more on affiliate type marketing. Here I am at Warrior Plus, and in the last just over a month now, I've been able to earn with Warrior Plus over $500. And the thing I love about Warrior Plus is that, first of all, Warrior Plus has been around since 2006. It's a very solid platform. It's very similar to ClickBank or JVZoo and Commission Junction and a lot of other kinds of affiliate type platforms where you can work with different vendors. We've got some key vendors that we are working with that are very solid, very powerful, and giving a lot of help and support to newbies, because the vendors that we're working with, such as the 5-figure day system, which is right here, which is the one that I'm promoting, and they give you a very powerful way to not only to promote this, and you can actually use this entire system to promote it, even as a free member, to generate leads. And that's what makes this so powerful, is because even free members, people who haven't actually purchased anything at all, can actually start to really build and viralize their mailing list. This is very, very exciting indeed. But I know for a lot of people who really want to take serious action, and absolutely massive action, to start to generate an income from the comfort of their own home, I do highly recommend get all in with the 5-figure day system, simply because with these uncertain times, I think that not only building a list, but having a way, or having something added into your funnels, such as an income stream and everything that will allow you to make money from home, is really essential. Obviously, this is what we're here for. It's what we're trying to do. And the great thing about making money with Warrior Plus is you can get payouts very, very easily with a bank account, straight into your bank account, or on Stripe or PayPal. So it's your choice. You're not just forced to use one or the other. You don't necessarily have to use PayPal. I personally will not use PayPal because I can't. So I love the fact that Warrior Plus allows you to use a number of different payouts, including bank account, guys. You can get the money straight into your bank account. You just put in your bank account details, and you can get the money straight into your bank account. So with a funnel system like the 5-figure day system, you're getting something for free. And even if you decide to upgrade and so that you can start earning from the income streams within these funnels, you're still able to give out the free value. This is the great thing about this 5-figure day system, is you're giving away free value. Everybody loves free, and what you're actually giving out is an opportunity for people to set up these funnels. All right, they can actually set up these funnels, and giving them an opportunity to start generating leads, not only from their own efforts, but also from the efforts of all the people that come in through their list, because you can viralize this system and leverage this up so that you can potentially have hundreds of people building your mailing list on your behalf. And if you choose to upgrade and get involved in the income streams, imagine having people passing up a lot of leads so that you can potentially be the one to actually generate that commission. I agree that nobody, myself included, nobody wants to lose out on the commissions that can potentially be ours. Now, it is a win-win situation. You can earn a lot of money with this potentially, but I don't know your work ethic, and so obviously there's no guarantee how much you're going to earn, and I can't guarantee anything at all. However, by really going for this and using the training that we've got down below here with all the swipes and everything that's been done for you, and all the other kind of recommendations for free traffic generation, paid traffic, so you can start promoting this to get the ball rolling. But once the ball gets started, you're going to be able to see some real automation kick in. Viral lead generation is going to start to kick in, and your list is going to start to grow on autopilot. It doesn't happen without the initial effort from your part, but the system is easy. Now, I actually have some key traffic recommendations that I can give out to my team, some free and some paid options. But you basically got everything you need right on this page, and you can hook it up to your own autoresponder. All right. So you can either hook it up to your own autoresponder, or you can have it set as the 5-figure day lead storage, which is the free option. So you don't actually have to use Aweber or GetResponse or any of these other third-party autoresponder services. You can just set it to the 5-figure day lead storage, and then you'll be able to use that. And then you're still collecting leads. You'll still be able to communicate with the leads that's coming through, and they'll be your leads, guys. So this is so essential in this day and age where we're living in uncertain times. You need to build your brand. You need to get out there. And if you're too shy to get onto social media, and if you're too shy to get onto YouTube, that's fine. Then I reckon that this is an essential option for people. Well, for anyone who's looking to build a following, build a list. And why do we need to build a list? We need to build a list, guys, because I've now built up a list of thousands over the years. That's because I've been preaching this for a long time, and people who listen to me have also built up their leads lists of literally thousands. And it's just a click of a button, guys. When you join a new program, or you're joining an income opportunity, and it's just a click of a button, you can broadcast to your list. They're your leads. You've generated those leads. You don't need to pay for necessarily. You don't need to pay for solo ads or paid advertising. I do recommend that because that's the other way to actually build your list. However, once you've built your list and you've done the baby steps, and you've kept going, and you keep going, you build your list, it really is just a case of one click. Send out an email to your leads anytime you want to let them know that you've joined a new income opportunity, you've joined an MLM business, or you've got access to a new income or stream or whatever, and then you can tell your leads about it. And guys, I always see new signups coming in all the time simply because I have built up a leads list. This is what's so powerful, is that by building up a leads list, it doesn't matter what businesses you join down the road, you already have potentially signups that can come in because you're able to communicate with the leads that you've created, you've generated. So I highly recommend, start building, using a platform like Warrior Plus, using our system, 5-figure day. This is not a system that I personally created, but it's a system that I really highly recommend, which is a part of Warrior Plus, and it's helped me to already build a leads list. It's helped me to build an income on Warrior Plus, as you can see, and I can send that money straight to my bank account. So this really is a true work from home opportunity, guys, with a platform that's been around since 2006, and this is an opportunity for you to really start building an income stream with something that is absolutely solid, all right? Because I see a lot of people working with only cryptocurrency, and that's fine, that's exciting. I love cryptocurrency, but if that's all you've got in your portfolio, then these are very uncertain times. We know that cryptocurrency is very volatile, and things can swing one direction or the other, and you can't predict what's going to happen. But with this, at least you've got something as a backup plan. This is my plan B, guys. So I highly recommend getting on board with Warrior Plus. Use our 5-figure day. Get on the links below, and just by using one platform, you'll be able to interlink and lock in everything that you need to lock in. Just follow the one video here, really simple setup and forget system, and then you'll have one link to promote, so you can start getting people on your leads list and start building your list. All right, and by building a following, that'll turn into signups, that'll turn into commissions. You can build any business once you've built a following. Anything is possible. I look forward to working with you guys. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Take care. Bye for now.